Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So for the dollar CAD, it tested the bottom of the channel, right? Like we predicted, and then moved up higher, right? And that is largely due to the uncertainty in the US. Is Jerome Powell getting replaced in the Federal Reserve? So I think until the announcement has been made that he's been replaced, we're going to stay status quo. So which means that we're going to stay in the channel, right? So the big question is, are we going to see a breakout? It's still a question mark. It depends on the macro factors. So until that happens, we're going to have to take a status quo bias, which is it is continue to trade in this channel. So it may test the bottom of the channel. It may face rejection before it tests the bottom of the channel to break out outwards. Just look out for the Biden's decision on whether Jerome Powell will get replaced. Now for the bull case, like I said, if Jerome Powell gets replaced, you get a chief that's going to raise rates earlier, then boom, it's going to break out, right? Just purely based on the fear, right? I mean, like knowing that it will happen in mid next year and versus some chief that would maybe implement it in January or February really makes little difference, except that like it just catches the market, put the market in a state of fear and panic, right? So we'll see.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.